Do you know why calligraphy is an art? Well, obviously not, that's why you're here. Congratulations, today is your lucky day, because today in this video you will find out. Oh, hello there! Before we jump straight into today's topic, please make sure you've subscribed to the channel if you don't want to miss any of the upcoming videos. Also, you can follow me on the Instagram, where you can follow the process more closely. Thank you. So, let's get started! I am Stiliyan Georgiev, and in today's video I will tell you exactly why calligraphy is an art. To find out why it is an art and how it is defined, watch the video in which I will give you a clear answer to the question. Okay, let's start with that. Do you know where the word calligraphy comes from and what it means? Calligraphy, as you know, is the art of beautiful handwriting. The term may be derived from the Greek word for beauty, kolos, and to write, graphein. A contemporary calligraphic practice can be defined as the art of giving forms to signs in an expressive, harmonious and skillful manner. Surely, many of you have wondered what the exact definition of art is. I am one of those people. In my opinion, each person sees and understands the art in their own way, different from the others. But let's take a look. What is the generally accepted definition of art? The expression or application of human creative skill and imagination, typically in a visual form such as painting or sculpture, producing works to be appreciated primarily for their beauty or emotional power. Art is a highly diverse range of human activities engaged in creating visual, auditory, or performing artifacts. Artworks that express the author's imaginative, technical skill and are intended to be appreciated for their beauty or emotional power. Calligraphy can be an art form, depending on what you use it for. If calligraphy used with the intention of invoking an emotional feeling, or just mean to look beautiful even if you can't read what was written, as you may have seen such known calligrams, in which the message is quite difficult to read. Calligrams were one of the reasons that initially drew my attention to the world of calligraphy. I think it is so attractive that the only artist of the works knows what he has written. In most cases, they are made so that they cannot be read. I would say that from my point of view, this is their charm. Then calligraphy, per definition, is indeed art. So if we look at the first part of the definition, then calligraphy would be defined as art. Calligraphy is an application of human creative skill and imagination, and it is expressed in visual form. But if we look at the second part of the definition, it gets a little harder. Because calligraphy is essentially still writing, so it was not actually produced with the intention of being appreciated primarily for its beauty or emotional power. In this case, calligraphy by definition is not art. But if you write calligraphy on a canvas or a mural, like this, with a lot of glitter and beautiful composition to give the reader an emotional reaction, then this would be by definition art. In this case, let me know in the comments below, do you think calligraphy is an art and how you understand it? Although we may not be aware of it, the impact calligraphy has had on the world of modern art is all around us. Calligraphic elements have become so common in our modern digital culture, we hardly notice them anymore. Calligraphy is where symbol and gesture meet. At its core, calligraphy is writing. It utilizes the traditional tools of the writer, pen and ink or brush and paint. But the objective of writing is to communicate predetermined meanings through the standard forms of language. The calligrapher does not simply write words to communicate a fixed thought. The calligrapher uses the pen or the brush for an extension for the whole body and the whole spirit. The calligraphic mark should convey something metaphysical as well as physical. The spirit should inform the body, which should move into on fiat gesture, transferring the energy of both body and spirit into the arm, into the hand, into the pen, and finally into the mark. Calligraphy has existed for thousands of years, manifesting independently into multiple cultures across the globe. Such devout respect is given to calligraphy in some cultures that a direct connection is made between calligraphic writing and the power of divine. With its tradition of conveying meaning beyond the objective into the realm of the unknown, it is no wonder then that calligraphy has appealed to so many abstract artists, especially those concerned with the communicative power of gestures and lines. So when we go by definition, calligraphy is an art, depending on how you use it. If you find that video useful to you, thumb up will be awesome. Thank you for your time and see you next time. Keep writing.